Lolly Publishing, where we publish kids' books with heart. If you're an author or an illustrator, we want you to have the most success possible in selling and marketing your new book. Today in our book marketing series on how to use marketing tools, we will be going over how to schedule a Facebook and Instagram post to make planning content easier. Now that you have your own Facebook business page for your work as an author or an illustrator, you have access to some amazing tools. One in particular is a scheduling tool that will allow you to post content to both Facebook and Instagram. If you don't already have a Facebook page, check the link in the description below to our video on how to create a Facebook page. This scheduling tool will be an amazing resource for you, so you no longer have to remember to manually post and wait for the perfect time each day to put up your content. Let me show you how it works. Go to your Facebook page. On the left-hand side, you'll see several helpful tools and resources. At the top, you'll see the Meta Business Suite, which allows you to plan, schedule, and manage your content and see how well it's doing. After you've selected the Meta Business Suite, you'll see at the top of the page the option to create a post or a story. Once you decide what you want to create, you can select whether you want to post to Facebook, Instagram, or both. In order to post to Instagram from the Business Suite, you'll need to connect your Instagram account. If your account is not already connected, there will be a button in the space that will allow you to connect it. After you click on the button, all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and Facebook will connect the two. You then can upload any media you want associated with your post, such as photos or videos. Then you can add text. One of the neat features is that you can select this button to make customized text for your Facebook and Instagram posts. This can be very handy if you want the text to be different on each platform. Off to the right-hand side, you can preview what your post will look like on Instagram and Facebook. After you're finished, you can post immediately, schedule the post for later, or save as a draft if you want to work on it at a later time. If you choose to schedule your post, you can use the options below to select a date and time, then hit publish. You'll then be directed to the planner. Here you can view your scheduled content in a weekly or monthly view. If you click on your post, you can view its activity and see how well it's performed. Here you can also choose to create and schedule content. To manage your posts and stories, you can go to the Post and Stories tab. Here you can view what you have published, scheduled, or drafted. You can also go here to create a story or post. We hope you enjoyed learning how to schedule a Facebook and Instagram post. This is a great tool to really help out any authors or illustrators who want to make great marketing content without having to remember to post each day. To learn more about how to market as an author or an illustrator and effectively promote your book, watch our other videos in our book marketing series playlist. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. If you're not part of our Lolly Publishing family but would like to be, click the link in the description to submit your book idea or artwork. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your new book.